Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Explain with Rashid. Today we are going to discuss about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin, how many types of Bitcoin, and how does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In this article we will explore what Bitcoin is, the different types of Bitcoin, and how Bitcoin works. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank or payment process. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank or payment processor. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical algorithms to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoin for their effort, which are then circulated in the market. BTC is the original and most well-known form of Bitcoin. It is most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency and has a current market cap of over $1 trillion. Bitcoin Cash BCH is a fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2007. It was created to address some of the scalability issues with the Bitcoin, allowing for faster and cheaper transaction. Bitcoin SPBSV is another fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2008. It was created to increase the block size limit to accommodate more transaction and improve scalability. Litecoin LTC is a cryptocurrency created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It is similar to Bitcoin in many ways but has faster transaction times and a higher maximum supply. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that allows for the creation of smart contracts and decentralized application DApps. It has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is used to pay for transaction on the platform. How does Bitcoin works? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain by a network of nodes or computers that participate in the network. When a user wants to send Bitcoin to another user, they create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The network of nodes then validates the transaction and adds it to the blockchain. The transaction is then confirmed and the Bitcoin is transferred from the sender account to the receiver account. Mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use specialized hardware and software to complex mathematical algorithms which validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created Bitcoin, which are then circulated in the market. Bitcoin is decentralized currency, meaning that is not controlled by any central authority or government. This makes it resistant to make intervention, censorship, and inflation. However, it also makes it more volatile and subject to price fluctuation. Bitcoin transactions are secure and anonymous, but they are not completely anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain and can be traced back to the sender and receiver. To increase anonymity, users can use third-party services such as Mixer or Thrumble to mix their coins with other user coins. Conclusion: Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transaction without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. There are different types of Bitcoin, including Bitcoin BTC, Bitcoin Cash BCH, Bitcoin SPBSV, Litecoin LTC, and Ethereum ETH. While Bitcoin offers many efforts, it is also subject to volatility and price. Now we will stop the video here. We will discuss the next topic, new topic in the next video. Now Allah Hafiz.